Another listing, this is 13,000 square meters for a package price of 10 million pesos. Located in Barangay Agsungot, Cebu City. So 13 milyones, 10 milyones ni guys. Net, limpyo. So it's a clean title, limpyo yun ang titulo. Located in Barangay Agsungot, Cebu City. 15 minutes drive from Talamban, Cebu City Grand Mall. So 15 or less than 15 minutes drive. So the property is along Concrete Road, Barangay Road, uphill, Pasaka, which is ideal for residential house development or resort development. So yan po. Maganda to. Pero 10 million. Actually guys, kung kasi dito kadalasan the pricing here is 1,000 pesos to 1,500 per square meter. Yan na po ang presyuhan talaga. But the owner in this property is selling at 10 million pesos. It cost around 700 square meters, 700 per square meter. 700 plus, I think 706. Basta 760 plus. Yun po. Water, there's no problem with the water guys, no? There is already a water. You just dig a well, no? Makakuha na tayo ng water dyan. So there are neighborhoods, no, nasa baba. Malapit lang. Or just few steps. Pero kung makadevelop ka dito guys, maganda, no? Kasi para itong nag-overlooking mountain, and I think there's still sea view on this property. So, yan po ang neighborhood. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Again, the property, the size is 13,000 square meters for a package price of 10 million pesos net. Limpyo. Then water, electricity, signal. Water is by digging a well, and electricity and signal are available. So yan po. Patag na sa itaas, flat na. At may uphill a little, no? May pataas na kaunti, oh, ganyan, no? Pero dito flat na. Flat terrain. So maganda. Again, the property we're selling is 1.3 hectares or 13,000 square meters for a package price of 10 million pesos net, located in Barangay Agsungot, Cebu City, Philippines. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title. Then if you have properties for sale, just submit it to us. We'll help you sell your property. Okay. So ito po 'yon ang property guys. So, slightly uphill na guys. Oh. Ganyan. Ganyan talaga ang sitwasyon ng property. Kadalasan dito are rolling terrain talaga. Pero maganda to, malamig. Malamig ang weather dito guys. Kasi surrounded by trees na. So, pababa naman kami. Oh. Nandun, no? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. And God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.